Hey, Alex, I've been hearing a lot about these automation platforms lately, and it just seems like everyone's buzzing about AgentKit and n8n. Like, what's the deal with them, really?
Stella, oh my gosh, it's such a hot topic right now. AgentKit and n8n are totally at the forefront. AgentKit, for example, is OpenAI's baby, right? Super low code, drag and drop, designed for simplicity and speed. Want to whip up a conversational agent pronto? That's your go-to. It integrates seamlessly with the OpenAI ecosystem. Perfect for someone who isn't super techy but wants powerful AI. Really user-friendly.
Wow. So, like, for someone who just needs a quick chatbot for their website, AgentKit would be totally ideal then. Minimal fuss, just get it done?
Exactly. Minimal fuss is the keyword for AgentKit, Stella. But then you've got n8n, which is a whole other beast. If AgentKit is like a simple prefab home, n8n is a custom mansion. It's for developers needing unparalleled flexibility for intricate workflows. Over 500 native integrations, custom APIs, supports multiple AI providers, not just OpenAI. Anthropic? Yep. Local models? Yep. It's robust, with a steeper learning curve, but the payoff in power and control is huge.
Oh, that's a really good analogy. So NN is for when you've got a complex system to build, connecting all these disparate parts. And you mentioned data control too. Is that a big differentiator? Wow, that makes so much sense. So, if I'm like a small business just wanting a simple AI chat interface, AgentKit is probably my best bet, right? Because it even has ChatKit for custom UIs, which is pretty cool.
Totally, Stella. If your goal is a polished conversational agent with a front-end UI, AgentKit and its ChatKit feature is spot on. But if you're a developer or have complex back-end workflows needing extensive debugging and integration, n8n is your champion. It's got detailed execution logs, community support, and those 500-plus integrations. The choice boils down to technical comfort, project complexity, and data control you need. Both are fantastic. It's just about what fits your specific needs. For more deep dives into automation and AI, definitely visit franksworld.com.